Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to format your iPhone. Formatting your device can significantly enhance its performance and address various software issues. It is also a crucial step for protecting your personal information if you plan to sell or give away your phone. A complete reset ensures that all your data, from photos to banking apps, is securely removed, providing you with peace of mind and a clean slate for your device or its next owner. Before you begin the formatting process, backing up your iPhone is absolutely critical to avoid losing any important data. You have two main options: iCloud Backup, which offers a seamless, wireless solution, or backing up to a computer using Finder for Mac users or iTunes for Windows users. Ensure your backup is fully completed and verified. This step safeguards your photos, contacts, messages, and app data, allowing you to restore them later if needed, or simply keep them safe. Once your data is safely backed up, you can proceed with erasing your iPhone. Go to the Settings app, tap on General, then scroll down to Transfer or Reset iPhone, and select Erase All Content and Settings. You will be asked to enter your device passcode and your Apple ID password to confirm this action. This process will completely wipe all data, apps, and settings from your phone, effectively returning it to its factory default state, ready for a fresh start. After your iPhone has been successfully formatted, it will restart and greet you with the familiar hello screen. At this point, you have two primary options for setting it up. You can choose to set it up as a brand new iPhone, which is ideal for maximum performance and a completely clean slate. Or, if you backed up your data, you can restore from your iCloud or computer backup, bringing back your apps, photos, and settings. Simply follow the clear on-screen instructions to finalize your setup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.